Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I have a roundup of new things I got off of Amazon. Many are on the hotspot new drops area of Amazon. A few things that I've been putting to the test that I find to be absolute must-haves that we are going to talk about. So let's dive in. First off, I am fall ready and I don't have this exact jacket to link, and this is not Amazon by the way, but I can feel you. I can feel you eyeballing my jacket. We've had like a turn of the season. Is this not such a me jacket? This is Pistola, and they don't have, I don't think, the star green combo right here, but they have a leopard print one. And I just wanted to shout out that the quality is next level. I am loving this. I will link everything that I am able to link, the Amazon things, my black tank top from Target, jewelry, all of those good things are going to be in the description box below as always. So let's hop into a little Amazon whatnot. This is a repurchase, you guys. I have these everywhere. These little clips are magic. They are next level compared to your typical claw clip. If you're someone that likes to throw your hair up and slide the clip through, this somehow will hold all of your hair. If you have a lot of hair or a little hair, this will work for both. And I feel like you just get a more sophisticated look in the back, especially with how flat it is. It's not like this big, it's just a different vibe. You know what I mean? Like this whole thing sticking out, you're sitting down, if you put your head back anywhere, it's bopping into things. This flat guy right here changes everything. These are not that expensive at all. It's like a no-name brand, Amazon. I buy big packs like this because I throw my hair up all the time and I just like having these on hand. I like that they're just matte and simple colored. They're not like crazy print. They're just, or like neon pink. Like it's just very elegant. I love the quality is like, it's just like nice. Every time I walk into my bathroom, I'm like, oop, I need to film that and I need to tell my people about this little nightlight that is my favorite thing. It brings me joy. It auto senses. So when the lights go off, the candle goes on and it's just so pleasant. You guys know I love my Amazon candles in the background. Well, I love these LED candles everywhere and I have one in my bathroom here in the studio. And it's so elegant, like it actually looks really nice. This is the most random thing that you'll see in this whole video, but it's a good one. Wait, no, there's one more so random that I can just like point to in the background. I'm gonna link that too. Is that not the cutest? It like charges and it actually holds a charge for a really long time. It's so good. Like I know that sometimes it's like, do we need all this stuff? Do we need all this stuff? No, we really don't. But there are these things that just in your everyday boring life, whatever you're doing, you see a little lamp or this and you're like, you know what? It makes me happy. I like it. We're gonna crack into a fresh pack of these. I have these also everywhere. I thought about doing like a video sharing with you guys like how I restock my vanity because I'm like Kleenex, Q-tips, sponge tip applicator, makeup wipes. Like I have my full setup of like non-negotiable, non-beauty items. And this is one of them because you can buy it on Amazon. You don't have to hunt down at the grocery store or drugstore. They are truly lint free. So if that bothers you when you're removing nail polish or doing your toner and you want a larger pad like this, these are great. Is it the most exciting thing to share on my channel? No, but that's kind of what this video is, the odds and ends in between, the things that spark joy. This does both for me, really. It's functional, it's hygienic, it's how I do a little bit of makeup removal. It's how I get in there and get all the glue and everything off with oils without having those annoying fibers get in your eyes. Tell me, have you ever used a standard cotton round and you're really going in to get the eye makeup off and then you're like, oh my gosh, like mystery hairs are in my eyeball? You will not have that issue with these and you can really saturate and soak. So if you are specifically an eye makeup wearer, if you wear waterproof mascara, if you're big on the lash glue like I am, soak with oil, place it on your lids. Let's protect our eyes. We don't need to be rubbing like crazy. We want the oil to do the work to break down the makeup for us. So you lean back, let it soak for a minute, and then lightly whisk off, no lint. Use these for many different things, but they're really, really good. And I like how they even look in my little jar. I should save this for a dupes video, to be honest. I love this from Briogeo. This is great. It's a dry shampoo that has this little puffy guy right here, and this is for brunettes. You can literally just like bam, 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 like do your thing and oil be gone. And it works really well, but it is pretty expensive. And this one is specifically for brunettes. And since I have highlights now, I don't need like dark powder like all over the highlights. So I have this from Kitsch. This doesn't have the same potency of color, but it's not stark white. I can actually open it up and show you guys. They should make one of these for the face. Can you imagine touch up on the go just like this? It's a great idea. Okay, so this, you can see the powder is tan. It's not stark white, but it's not leaving like darkness on your root if you have highlights either. So this is a great option. It's rice powder, it's unscented, it's uncomplicated. I love Kitsch. They make incredible Velcro rollers, and now they have an excellent dry shampoo that you can just get right in there. And like it doesn't, I just doused like quite a bit right there. It doesn't stay all chalky and weird on the top part of your hair. And I just really like the convenience of good touch up without having to fly powder everywhere or aerosol. I'm gonna mention this guy again because this truly is like an absolute must have. Like if you admire my style of jewelry and you like that I wear chains like this all the time, this is a must have. I'm gonna put it on right now. This necklace I have been wearing almost every day. It does not look cheap. It has not turned my skin green. It has not tarnished. I want to say it was $11.99. I'm not even joking. Like, how crazy is that chain? These ones are much more expensive. This is like over $100 Kendra Scott. But I love these chunkier chains. It's kind of my go-to vibe right now. And if you are admiring that I layer this with so many different necklaces, Amazon, like so inexpensive and such great quality. Let's talk about our feet because I'm weird about my feet and sometimes we have to go there. This is the 60% Urea foot care stick. Now this has 2% salicylic acid. This is breaking down that dead, dry, rough skin. This is for dry, cracked heels and thickened skin. Now what I love about this is it really penetrates and does a great job to soften up the heels of your feet. I like putting this on before bed or even after a shower if I'm just at home. I like wearing socks in the house, which is good for you guys. Like, just so you know, if you're running around barefoot in the home, it can dry out your feet. You don't want that. So have a stick like this on hand. This is like under $10. You put it on the bottoms of your feet, put some socks on. It penetrates really quickly. It's not overly goopy or greasy. And I am impressed. This is like honestly doing such a nice job, dare I say more than the Prequel overnight foot treatment that I love so much. I'm obsessed with keeping my feet soft, so this is one that I reach for on the daily. This next one, you guys are to blame. I would never have ordered this. I don't know this brand. It's called Thrive. And because I've been on my tubing mascara adventure, you guys know I like the Half Magic. I like Sarah Criel. I've really been into tubing mascara because I have found that as I age, like specifically this eye is the troublemaker. We have like a slight hood happening on this outer edge, which is really just rattling me. I do not like it at all. She needs to stop. Anyway, she waters and then any mascara here gets all smeared and then it looks like I haven't slept in a decade, and I can't have that. I cannot have that. I don't do all the makeup and all this effort for this issue to like ruin it all. A tubing mascara will not smudge or budge. And also if you're trying to regrow your lashes or have them be just more voluminous overall, you're really like mindful to not dry out your lashes and lose lashes from waterproof mascaras. A tubing mascara is a great option, and this one is blowing my mind. Like, look at my lower lashes. They are doll-like and perfect, and the wand is perfect, and I am utterly obsessed. This is such a great one. Half Magic is still awesome. I love Half Magic. It actually has a very similar wand. It's like the rubberized kind of cone-tipped wand where you can really get in there on the lower lash specifically. But this one has got my attention and I am surprised. Top shelf, top shelf. Am I on the Dr.Melaxin train? Yes. Am I now a fan? 100%. Do I want the whole line? Yes. Did I buy these myself? 100%. I fell victim to advertising online. I kept seeing people use this. They're like, wow, it got rid of all of my blackheads. And people are like, nah, like a gommage is actually just the product pilling up and it's not doing anything for your dead skin. And it's this whole like battle, throwdown, showdown of like, what these peel off liquids will do. We're gonna start with this one right here. This is so fun to use. It is so easy to use. It's so satisfying. This has kojic acid, which is what is in my Nurse Jamie brightening bar that I love and I swear is working. This is also infused with turmeric, another brightening agent, and niacinamide. This is a body and foot exfoliator. It's gonna help refine rough and uneven skin for a clearer, more radiant look. You go in the shower dry, you spray this everywhere, and you just start doing this. Just start rubbing your body, rubbing your chest, and it pills up. And you kind of are like, yeah, that's the product, like, okay. But then you go to rinse off and you're like, whoa, like, oh my gosh. Like it is so silky. Like, you know, when you use a good conditioner and you rinse and you're just like, oh my gosh, my hair's new. Like, wow. Like the L'Oreal, the 5-minute treatment. I'm going to link that as well because that is a classic must have. But like that one, when I rinse it, I'm just like, I just got a salon treatment. This is amazing. Like this feels like you spent so much time scrubbing down your body, but it does not take much time at all. And it leaves you effortlessly smooth, and it also brightens up your skin. So under the arms, it's brightening. Let it sit there for a minute, do a little thing. Like someone was asking it the other day, they're like, you have nice armpits. Like they were watching a workout segment. They're like, you have nice armpits. How do you do that? And I'm like, you know, I never really thought about that. But I do exfoliate quite a bit, like head to toe. I'm a big believer in getting the dead skin off, dry brushing, exfoliating, moisturizing. And I think that something like this can go far that has kojic acid and turmeric. So it's like a no-brainer, and this is not crazy expensive. I don't even know why this is so good. This is the Dr.Melaxin Peel Shot Exfoliating Black Rice Ampoule with rice bran water and niacinamide. Like, what else is in here that is doing what it's doing? It says it's for all skin types. It doesn't burn. Like sometimes when I use my glycolic acid, they tend to tingle and sting. Like I had to stop using Drunk Elephant because it started to burn my skin and I'm like, this can't be good for my skin barrier. Like, yikes. This for some reason does not burn at all. But it does such a good job to get you an immediate baby smoothness to your skin. So if you're looking in the mirror and makeup is clinging to dry patches, you're seeing the uneven texture, dehydration, clogged pores around the nose, clogged pores on the chin, everything just feels a little congested, what you're gonna do is wash your face perfectly clean, make sure your skin is totally dry, and then you put this on. Like I'll take several of the ampules and I'll just kind of do one section at a time and you just rub and it's like the product's pilling up like the gommage that it is, but the dead skin is also coming off of your face. You want to do this over the sink because it's like you're going to see crap falling in the sink. It's crazy. You rinse your face, your nose will be so heavenly smooth. I've been using it for like 2 weeks, not every night. But I've been using it and just like immediately I was like, I get why this is viral. I love it. And then I wanted to show you guys these. This is like the most random. A lot of Amazon jewelry that I order never makes it in my videos because honestly, I'm like, well, this is questionable, like when I receive it, or it just looks so cheap and terrible. This is like a really cute ear cuff. This is from Milla Jewelry. So this is a hot brand. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna link the brands of jewelry with the name of the brand so that you know when you're ordering from that brand, and there are so many bajillion different brands on Amazon with cheap jewelry, that you're getting good quality because this is actually like at the level of my nicer jewelry and it was not expensive if you're into ear cuffs. And then this one, I thought we would try this on together. I haven't tried these, but it came in this real like sanitary, nice package. Like sometimes I've ordered things and they come in this little like Ziploc baggie and they just don't look right. And maybe I'm just being a little too much, but like I'm like, oh, like that's not right. So let's try these on right here. This is from a brand called Poxtex. Let's see what we got. Thumbs up if you like random time with Tati, because I don't have a very cohesive, organized video here, but I also want to share with you guys, like as I'm ordering things, like what's cool, what's not. And when I don't do this, I tend to forget to show you guys. So let me know if you like this. Oh, those are cute. That's actually so cute. Woo, that is different. And like, I don't have any other holes in my ears, so I always look for something that's like a little more unique that gives that illusion. That is nice. Amazon for the win with like the jewelry. Like I can't even believe that I'm able to find such nice jewelry. If you know of brands that are so hot that have great quality, leave it in the comments. Help us all out. And in fact, leave your Amazon finds, like the ones that are not BS, that really, really worked out for you in your day-to-day. Leave it in the comments so that I can order it and so that we can all learn from each other. There you have it. That is my quick roundup of things that I am loving from Amazon. Thumbs this video up if you want more chaotic, all over the place, every category videos like this. I love your feedback. And other than that, you guys go and have a great day, whatever you are doing. And I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.